Welcome to How Things Work. Today, we explore the hidden systems that keep a sailboat running safely from galley to bilge. A sailboat is a complex machine in a corrosive environment. Check your bilge daily. A dry bilge means your hull is healthy. Before every engine start, check your oil and raw water coolant. A failed impeller can overheat and seize your engine in minutes. Inspect your standing rigging weekly for cracks or loose strands. Haul your boat annually to replace zincs and protect underwater metal. The galley is a high-stakes environment. Propane is heavier than air, so always use a bilge sniffer and a remote solenoid valve. Use gimbaled stoves and fiddle rails to keep pots level and secure. Lee cloths help you stay braced while cooking in rough seas. Prepare meals at the dock. One-pot stews and pre-staged snacks allow you to eat well without dangerous cooking during heavy weather. A clean deck is a safe deck. Coil halyards properly so they deploy instantly, and store dock lines in dedicated bags for quick access. Periodically inspect lines by pushing back the sheath to check the core. A line can look perfect outside while failing internally. Fresh water is your most critical resource. Flush tanks seasonally and use a Watermaker to extend your range during long offshore passages. Manage waste responsibly. Understand your gray and black water systems, and always verify valve positions to avoid illegal discharge in marinas. The dock is where most damage occurs. Secure your boat with proper fenders and chafe protection to survive wind shifts and tidal changes.